Are you frustrated or tired of your iPhone automatically answering calls? In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to turn off or disable the Auto Answer Calls feature on your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. Auto Answer is a helpful tool that can be great for hands-free situations, but it can also lead to unwanted interruptions or awkward conversations when you're not ready. It's really easy to turn this feature off, and this will also work on older iPhone models, so if you don't have a 16 or 16 Pro, you can still follow my steps. Let's first open the settings on our iPhone, then find this accessibility section and tap on it to open it. Now find this touch button, which should be in the physical and motor section. The next step is to go a little bit down near the bottom of this page and then tap on this Call Audio Routing button. And here is the option which we had been looking for, and that's this Auto Answer Calls. So let's tap on it to open the settings for this option. You can do two things. If you want to turn this feature off completely, then just disable this switch. But if you want to change the duration of the time before the iPhone Auto answers the call, then just tap on the plus button and the time will be increased. But that's essentially how you can disable the auto answer feature on iPhone. See you in the next video, everyone.